Here we are, getting ready to play. There's Kyle. Say hi, Kyle. Okay. I'm going to get this stump to the left. Oh, yeah. Can't really see anything right now. You see any of them?
No, I didn't see them.
I can hear it. Well, they can't go on the hill and I hear them. You hear them? No, I just want to move up. There's no point being this far back. Who's shot?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Run!
Oh,
Just run!
Oh shit!
Just run! Just run! Run! Keep running. Crap, man! They're hitting the tree I'm right next to. You all right, Miller? Where'd Miller go? There's Kyle. Back there?
Yeah, man. That's so hot.
I'll join you. Dude, they're all freaking aiming at the tree. Oh my god. Stay put, Kyle. How did I survive that?
You put fire on the right side.
What, Miller? Okay, hold on, I'm moving over here. Holy crap, that was intense.
This is so much better than playing on the hill.
I know. There's so much more action. There's Logan's right there.
They're all moving to the right street now.
They're all moving left. Dude, I thought they couldn't go up on the hill.
No hill, you niggers. No hill. No hill, you niggers. Sean, it's not right there.
Yeah, it's Logan, but I can't hit him.
Logan's not there.
Logan's running. Alright, hold on.
I'm a fucking white kid. No hill, niggers. Don't build the breath. Don't your ass. It don't hurt.
Brody's shooting at. I don't know who's shooting at.
Shooting at Max.
No, he's shooting at me.
I'm a fucking white fish.
You can't do that here.
I'm doing it right now.
Millie, you want to try to take a shot or something? Oh crap!
I don't even know what the hell they are. Yeah, nigger. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Put your bitch in. Move.
What are you doing?
I'm just sitting here.
Dude, if I move, Brody, if I move, I'm done. Brody's got me.
These niggers.
Slaughter him?
You guys just, you're trucking African porch monkeys. That's all you are.
That's Max.
I see him right there. Hey. Hey. I told you to move, nigger.
Okay, Miller, you get right, I get left.
There's only one on the left, two on the left.
That's fine.
Nice shot, Logan. Thank you. I saw you run that way, but I was trying to hit Max and you at the same time. I just can't shoot it, and I like it. I'm a fucking white fish.
Yeah, hold on.
I don't even know where the hell you guys are.
Well, I'm getting lit up. Hold on. All right, Miller, I'm gonna make a run for it. Ready?
I'm a fucking white fish.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There's.
That's Logan. That guy's likes to suck his penis off.